Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So you did it, you turned in your midterms, congratulations. Now we're going to move into something fun, conception, pregnancy, and childbirth. I mean, it's fun, right? Um, Everybody was born, so this is kind of an interesting process to learn about if you haven't already done so. You're going to do the reading and watch the TED Talk, and then you're going to post in the module. It's going to be an interesting week, so you're going to learn a little bit about how it all works and those sorts of things. So um, it's fun. And then I just want to kind of touch base with you with where we are because we're getting very close to the end. We're going to do, so we're doing pregnancy and conception. And then next week we're going to learn about contraception, abortion, and sexually transmitted infections. Then we're going to do lifespan. Then we're going to do like atypical sexual variations. And then we're going to do coercion and kind of some hard stuff about rape and stuff. And then we're going to be pretty much done. I don't know why I felt like telling you this, but the thing is that I just kind of had this like dawn on me that, oh gosh, we're about a month away from the end of the semester. So just to be clear, you finished your midterm, so all of that information that you learned is great, and I can't wait to read them. The final is not cumulative, so you'll be learning material from now until the final, and that's what's going to be on the final. And it'll be the same format where you'll have, at least a week. I'll probably open it even earlier for you to write and get it all done. So I hope you guys are doing well. Congratulations on making it through the big hurdle of the midterm, and we only have a final left and all of your discussion posts, so you're doing great. Keep up the good work, and I'll be reading all of your stuff very soon. Take care.